welcome back to another video. I am Ivan Michael Lachansa, and today I'll be doing some activity in NetAcad, CCNA routing and switching. So the activity we'll be doing is in chapter 6. I'll be doing all the activities there. I think there is 5-6 activities there. So here are the activities. 6.2.1.2.6 IP characteristics, IPv4 header fields, identify elements in routing table entry, identify router components, and the router boot process. So let's start with the first one. 6.1.2.6 IP characteristics. So here in instruction is read each IP characteristics, then click connectionless, best effort, or media independent to indicate its delivery method. So the IP characteristic will send a packet. Even if the destination is received it. We'll choose if it is questionless, best effort, or media independent. So I think this one is connectionless. IP characteristic will adjust the size of the packet sent depending on what type of network access will be used. I think it is media independent. No contacts is made to the destination host before sending a packet. This is connectionless. And packet delivery is not guaranteed. I think it's best effort. And fiber optics, cabling, satellites, and wireless can all be used in the route the same packet. It's media independent. And the last one is not guaranteed. The packet will be delivered fully without errors. It's best effort. Congratulations, you have matched the IP characteristics or delivery method, so we have correctly answered the first one. Let's proceed to the next one. The next one is here, IPv4 header fields. So in the IPv4 header fields, we read each IPv4 function and then click on the IPv4 header field to which it belongs. So always set to 0 to 100 for each IPv4. So I think this is in version. Identifies the sending host. Source IP address, commonly referred as hop count. Identifies the IP address of the recipient host. This destination. Identifies the upper layer protocol. The second word is protocol. And the last one identifies the priority of each packet. So we put in the differentiated services. This is so correct. Congratulations, you have matched the IPv4 header functions to their field. Now let's take another activity. So a partial routing table is shown. let's load that again. So here's the activity for page 6.2.2.8, a partial router routing. Table entry shown. Each section of the entry is identified by a circled letter above it. Select the correct routing table entry section for each output. So here it is. Elapsed time since the network was discovered. The only time here is E, so let's answer that. Administered distance source and metric to reach the remote network. Let's think the answer there is C. How the network was learned by the router is A. Shows the destination network. Number 4. Here, I think this one is that one. And the next hop IP address to reach the remote is D. And the last one is F. The outgoing interface on the router to reach the destination network. You see the gigabit Ethernet. So let's check. We have successfully chosen the correct router routing entry as described. So we got that correct. Let's now answer under activity. Let's do this one. So the instruction here is to descriptions of router functions and hardware parts are provided in the table. Here's a table. Drag each router component name to the function. The description is the description. It connects routers to external networks, usually over a large distance. Wide area network. I think it's the one interface. A way to remotely access the CNI across a network interface is definitely the telnet, the SSH. Connects computers, switches, and routers for internal networking. LAN interface. A local port which uses USB or low-speed serial connections to manage network devices. The AU export. A port to manage routers using telephones and modems. The console port. Let's check. Oh, so I got this wrong. So this two are supposed. The console port must be to a local port, and the AU export is for the telephone line. So I got that wrong. Now we proceed to the next activity. This is the last one, the last activity. In the last activity, drag each steps on the left to appropriate field in the table. So this is a process. Let's first read all the processes. Load the iOS operating system file on the router loaded into RAM. After Bootstrap finds the iOS file to be used, perform post hardware check. Load the configuration file from the flash NVRAM and TP server. Load Bootstrap. So I think the first one here is to perform post or hardware check the router boot in the router boot process. The second one is the load Bootstrap. Third one is to load the configuration file. No. I think this is the last one. And this is the third one. As you have correctly listed the order of the router boot. So that was the last activity for the chapter 6. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching.